November 26th, 2008. A city that never sleeps was forced to stay awake. In the heart of Mumbai, ordinary lives were interrupted by extraordinary violence. Multiple locations, automatic weapons, grenades, civilians trapped, police down. As the situation slipped beyond control, India activated its last line of defense, Operation Black Tornado. From Delhi, the National Security Guard was flown in. The Black Cats entered burning hotels, dark staircases, and rooms wired with death. At the Oberoi Trident, the mission was clear: evacuate the innocent, neutralize the terrorists. What happened next was not written in textbooks. It was written in blood, bravery, and sacrifice. Injured, yet unbroken. Silent, yet stronger than ever. He does not come to tell a story of fear. He comes to speak about courage, resilience, and the price of protecting a nation. A Shaurya Chakra awardee, a soldier, a survivor. GEMS is honored to welcome NSG Commando, Operation Black Tornado veteran, Mr. P.V. Manesh.